What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to take a look at some of the upcoming items that are coming up for Copart this week. Some of the things that I may be interested, because why I am in the Midwest, it's nothing for me to pop down a couple hours to OKC and snap something up. So we're going to go through the auction list, and I'm going to look and see if there's anything that is a good deal, buy it now, and or if there's anything that I might be interested in at auction. Looking for a truck right now. Could be a big SUV. I know you're gonna say, but you have the Aspen and the other Aspen and the other Aspen. What do you need another truck for? And I mean bigger. I mean like Expedition / Tahoe, maybe Range Rover-ish. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. But before we do, let me give a big shout out to today's sponsor of today's video, and it's Visible Wireless. You know, we've had a couple other wireless sponsors here on the channel, coming from my background, from what I've done before we got into automotive, and major shout out to them. Link is in the description. For some people, and you guys have said for other services which we've promoted here, that, you know, that carrier that it uses its backbone doesn't work well where you live. Well, Visible uses the Verizon network. They're not shy about telling you it. Unlimited hotspot, unlimited 5G. There's no caps. There's no data limit. If you use 200 gigs, 300 gigs, 400 gigs of data, Visible does not care. I'm telling you because I use it personally. And here's the cool part: when you sign up for service, if you use the link in the description, they're gonna knock $15 off your first month of service. That means it's $25. And if you refer somebody once every month for 12 months, pay $5 a month for unlimited Verizon service. You can't beat that. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video, and thank you to Visible Wireless for sponsoring this channel. All right, guys, so we are in here, and we're going to take a look at some of the different vehicles, but we make this pretty easy. Ooh, that's actually not bad. Let me jump at this real quick. Okay, little front end damage. Looks like it runs and drives. Airbag did deploy. That's not too difficult though. Bumper, core support probably. Headlights even look good. Ooh, is that fender bent? Hold on. Let's zoom in on it. A little bit right there on the corner, but I bet you we could probably straighten that out. It wouldn't be a perfect car, but not bad. Let me add that to the watch list. Got a lot of miles too, but ooh, wait a minute. It looks worse from that angle. So they zip tied it up. Yeah, no. Not right now. We'll go through and see what we find, and we'll make this easier. So what I like about this is I can go into the filter, I can go into featured items, you can click no license required and apply, and then you'll be able to see exactly what you can, you know, bid on. Look at this, 2015 Toyotas. What the F? Wow. I don't think there's a panel that's not destroyed on this truck. You think it's a rollover? How many times do you, I'm gonna let you guys guess in the comments, how many times do you think this thing rolled over? Jesus. Let me see if I can get an HD photo out of this. This might be my thumbnail right here. Hold on. Yeah, that'll be that'll be the thumbnail. Damn. All right, that's ridiculous. Bighorn, another rollover. Damn. Y'all are killing it, man. Oof. That is crazy, man. That is absolutely crazy. We'll keep looking through. This one doesn't look bad. What's up with this? Salvage, recovered theft, huh? Ooh. That front end. Do I get a good photo of that front end? Yeah, that's a no for me. Honda Pilot. These were like the crap throwaway cars, man. But they go pretty cheap and they are fairly new. And this one's hail damaged, huh? But like, you feel everything in this, man. You ride this thing down the road and 140 my ass on that speedometer. I know it runs. Look, there's no check lights outside of the door open, the seatbelt, and the tire pressure. I'll add this to the list for shits and giggles, just because like this is a car that you buy, you sell to a pizza delivery guy. He ain't gonna give a shit if it's got hail damage all over it. Somebody doing Uber Eats, they just run this car into the ground. You know, they wouldn't care. 1.2 liter 3-cylinder. Jeez. I know you're gonna say, well, why not the Ford 500, TK? Because it's clapped out and the whole back end is smashed. All right, let's see. This is a buy it now for pretty cheap too. What's wrong with this one? Front end. Tire blew out back here. Airbags are deployed everywhere in this bitch. Not in the front though, just the curtain ones, huh? I wouldn't care about that. Headlight, bumper, fender. The core support doesn't even look like it's that bad. Let me look. Yeah, like I would unbolt that other crap. Just bolt in some new stuff. You're going to need rims and tires too. I bet the suspension's probably beat up. We'll look at it. We'll see what it goes for. The buy it now is $23.50, so I mean, it's cheap. There we go. Not horrible. It's at the sublot, pretty clean. What motor does it have? The 4.8. 260,000 miles though. We'll add it to the watch list, but I'm not. That side damage, oof. But that's fixable, man. I can't believe that this is totaled. That is definitely fixable. Huh. Well. GMC Yukon. Hail damage. Yeah, you can see a couple dings all over the hood. And it's enhanced, which means it's just probably got a bad battery. If it was hail damage, it was running. We're going to add that, because if that goes cheap enough, I bet you that runs. Yes, sir. An Eddie Bauer edition. Let's go. Little scuff. Nothing major. Certificate of title repo. Huh. Buy it now is only $3,900. We'll see what happens with that. Ooh, boy. Certificate of title. Minor dent and scratches. I wish I could see where the damage is, because that's fiberglass, which means it's probably got cracks and stuff. I think Randy might have done a video on this one. I think he might have saw this one, unless this is another one. Doesn't list that it runs, but I'll add it to my watch list because it might go cheap. Okay, here we go. It's damn 6-cylinder, man. Look at this. This is what I show you. They tried to fix it. Like they were getting started fixing it. Look, they even welded in a... Hold on, wait a minute. They even welded in a whole fender, the whole rear and everything. Look at this. The whole rear and everything has already been replaced. Like, most of the work is already done. You'd have to tighten up some more of that bodywork up there or replace that fender. But the door would probably be good. The rear is already done. I don't even know why somebody would fix that for real, but hey, you never know, man. This Nissan Titan has been out there in Oklahoma City forever, man. I don't know why it keeps saying it comes up, but I don't think this thing ever sells. $2,850. Huh. Uh-oh. This one's got the 4.7 Magnum V8, which kind of sucks. But oof. Yeah, that's going to be a negative for me. Yeah, I'm not seeing much of anything else. I mean, the bikes are cool, but I already got a bike project. I ain't got time to... I'll hold it, but I ain't got time to be doing all that. Hey, wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on, man. Hold on. Buy it now is $9,500. Y'all are smoking big crack, man. Remember the one I found, like, in mint condition for $2,000? And this one's got hail damage everywhere, and you want $9,500? Buy it now? Good luck with that, homie. Like, you know, busted headlights and shit. Good luck with that. We're gonna watch this one just so I can laugh and see what dumbass overpays on that car. Here we go. Yeah, I love these, man. That's the 4.2. Let me guess. Yep. Mechanical. Probably the damn transmission. The 4L60E is garbage. See if we can find anything else that just grabs us. Oof, that's rough. Damn, that's clean though. I'm not really seeing anything else that's really grabbed. This is cool. This is actually cool. I could do something with this. It don't run though. Damn. We got generators. Yeah, Avalon XL. RDX. Oh, not you. You. Oof. Never mind. Oof. I know y'all like, buy it, buy it. No. How about this one? Minor dent and scratches, it says. Look at the minor dent and scratches. Like the whole rear quarter is all fucked up. Minor dent and scratches. A word? Hold on. Minor dent and scratches, huh? Yeah, okay. Not me. Nice try, though. That was smooth.
2 minutes. 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 2
Oh, that's a lucky special right there. 03 Monte Carlo, buy it now, $850. I'd be shocked if he doesn't snap this up. We'll watch that one though. Well, I think this is going to be it, guys. I'm not seeing anything else that's really grabbing me. This is cool. 347,000 miles. You got to be... Well, they must have been doing Uber in this joint. Yeah, check engine light. I'm good. Nah. I'm good. Let's see what it sounds like. If it'll play. Why are you BSing? This sounds pretty decent. I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see. That one I'm going to add to the watch list. But that's a lot of miles for that Jag. I know someone's going to say, but TK, you have one with 1 million miles on it. Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Now this one, yeah, well, I think that one's going to do it. All right, guys, so there you have it. We run through the whole list. You guys see what I'm looking at, what I might be interested in, what I could be possibly trying to pick up this week. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And again, major shout out to our sponsors, Visible. Let me see if we can get the camera to focus on it. Look at that. We put the sim and simple. Major shout out to our sponsors today, Visible, who were like, you know what? We see that you're dealing with one of our competitors in the space, and we'd like to just shoot you a SIM card. Now, full disclosure, I've used Visible before, and they were great before. It's just I had too many phones, and I didn't need it. But look, if you're going to offer me something like that I can use for the channel, and it's like it's a definite need. It's just like when companies try to send me scan tools or things of that nature. It makes a difference, right? It really helps with your channel. So them giving me something, so when I'm in the boonies out in the middle of nowhere, Kansas, or I'm in the boonies out in Colorado or Nevada or wherever I'm at, I'll be able to stay connected, and I appreciate that. So with that said, let me know what you guys think about what we looked at in the auction today in the comment section down below. And yeah, what do you guys think? I think there's a couple of decent pickups, and we'll see. That was a pun, right? We'll see what we end up picking up tomorrow.
Perfect.